welcome to Healing Recipes. My today's recipe is one of the most popular dish from India, that is Kadhai Paneer. I'm going to make it without any oil, but if you so want, you can always add oil. Believe me, it's delicious without oil too. So let's start. For the full list of ingredients, please check the description below. To prepare the Kadhai Paneer masala, I've kept a small pan. I'll roast the coriander seeds, cumin seeds, green cardamom, dried red chili, peppercorns for 1 minute, continuously stirring on a medium flame. This will be done in just 1 to 1.5 minutes, and then I'll pour it into a grinder to make a coarse mixture of this and not a fine powder. In the same pan, roast the dried fenugreek leaves for about 30 seconds and pound it to make a fine powder. Keep aside. Place a medium-sized pan on medium flame. Add cashew nuts and the tomatoes that we cut into big chunks and half a cup of water. 2 stems of coriander, hot green chili. Mix and cover. And let it boil till the tomatoes get tender. It'll just take about 2 minutes, and then keep aside for cooling and later grind into a paste. Then place a bigger pan on high flame. Add the red and green bell pepper and onions. If you want to add oil, you can add here. Since I'm making without any oil, I'll just dry toss it for about 1.5 minutes. And then cover it with a lid for another 1.5 minutes so that it gets cooked with its own moisture. Remove the lid. Add 3 teaspoons of coarsely ground spices, some black salt and some white salt as per your taste. Mix well and take out in a dish. Now in the same pan on medium flame, add black cardamom. After about 15 seconds, add ginger garlic paste, mix. Add some water, mix. Add finely chopped onions, half cup of water, mix and cover. Make the flame lower till the onions become translucent. When the onions get translucent, add finely chopped tomatoes and little bit of salt. Mix. Cover. In about 1 to 2 minutes, the tomatoes will be softened. Add the tomato and cashew nut paste that we made a while ago, including dry fenugreek leaves powder. Mix. Add the dry masalas. Mix well. Add paneer. Add the grilled vegetables. Mix well. If you're cooking with oil, you can add some butter and cream at this point and mix well. Cover for about a minute. The Kadhai Paneer curry is ready. to pan out and garnish with coriander and ginger julienne. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.